Express as the product of two binomials. Product of two binomials is the same as asking us to factor. Whenever we're asked to factor, we start with GCF and rule that out first. We try to find numbers that go into 36 and 81. And in this case, the highest number that goes into both would be 9. So if there is a GCF, you have to do GCF factoring. Write the GCF, open a parentheses. Then divide it out to fill the parentheses. 36 divided by 9 is 4, and bring down the 8 to the second. 81 divided by 9 is 9. Okay, just because there was GCF factoring, it doesn't mean we're done. For two terms, it still might be difference of two squares, dots factoring, and for three terms, it still might be a quadratic trinomial. Now, looking at your expression in the parentheses, there's only a subtraction sign, so we see that this is just two terms, and therefore might be dots, difference of two squares. Now, are all of these numbers perfect squares? So we can see that the 4 is, right, it's 2 times 2. A squared is, it's just a times a. And 9 is because it's just 3 times 3. So this is definitely also difference of two squares. Now, when you write the product of two binomials, don't drop the 9 outside, but we are going to have two binomials. And if we remember from difference of two squares, they're going to look exactly the same, except one will be plus, one will be minus. But otherwise, they're both going to start with the equal factors of 4. They're also both going to start with the equal factors of a squared. And they're both going to end with the equal factors of 9. Okay, and this is how we would factor this expression.